All right, guys, we are here today with a very special announcement. Daniel got a haircut. He was literally running away. Betty didn't get a haircut. I certainly didn't get a haircut, but look at Daniel.
Bring it down.
Here we go for the You Make It, We Skate It. What does this even say? Milk crate board?
Does not sound good.
Yeah, it does.
It's fun to skate the milk crates
Without trucks and wheels.
yeah.
I still don't know
Without the
what a
board.
milk crate is.
Black
born
boxes
yesterday?
like in the back of the.
Oh!
You ever seen that one guy's videos on Instagram where he ollies on and slides?
Yes.
The guy that does like
Yeah,
all
those
the
are
dark
fun.
side
I
stuff.
understand now.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yes.
Is gold?
Oh, no. Please tell me the top isn't open. Oh, no. No! Why? Why? Man, I don't even know what to do with this.
Hang it up on the wall.
Straight, box open, straight to the wall. Well, they did a beautiful job of doing that incredible Revive logo and painting it gold.
Hope you guys aren't lactose intolerant.
Let's see what this is all about. Troy, Gabe, Fetty, Doug, Aaron, Vinny, Kelly, hashtag SkateGod still with us, Carlos, Andy, from Braille Revive, from Tony Jack.
They forgot a couple people.
Hi Braille, I am a huge fan and I sent you this board for a You Make It, We Skate It. Only I thought you would like it. I just thought for some reason you would like it. I don't like it. I love it. That is the most dangerous thing ever. That's why open on the top, no good. All right, Fetty, kickflip off. Go ahead.
What are we supposed to do with this?
Play a game of skate.
What are we doing?
Full park game
Full
of
park
skate.
game of skate.
Full park game of skate?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No. Daniel, be in this. I'm not going down
Qualified?
any stairs. I'm not qualified to ride this.
All right.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh my, this is so scary. Oh, okay.
First try!
I'm really gonna die on this one.
Perfect.
There's no way I want to do this. It just reminds me of that one Skate Everything Wars episode with Lance. Oh no!
Wait, are we playing full park?
Yeah.
It's actually working surprisingly well.
Nobody has a letter yet, right?
No.
I'm gonna get my head in the game. That was scary. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna ollie up this.
Oh no, that was bad. Full send!
You're up, Daniel.
Oh,
Oh, Fetty.
No way. Oh yeah. There's no way. I'm not doing that. There's no way. I have nightmares every night about the, what is it? The cooler? There's no way I'm doing that. Oh my gosh. Ah. I literally tried to bail and I smashed my head on the wall.
why would you do this?
Just full send.
I've got an idea.
He's got an idea. That was his idea. Mongo push into the ramp.
Rock's Vicky. He did call it, I heard him.
Oh no. Oh no. The problem with this thing is there's no way to bail. You cannot get your feet out anywhere. You try to get your feet out, you're stuck in a crate and you're dead. This is the most dangerous board we've ever skated. No. I can't. The comments are gonna destroy us, Daniel. Fetty's like on another level. He's like a circus magician.
He literally
You have
has-
no idea how hard this is.
Oh!
I went for it.
I knew exactly that would happen.
In his defense,
Full send.
Fetty did skate a bucket about that size that was wide open earlier this week.
Well, he's got some practice in. He's
I
like,
guess I'll get off the mini rail.
You like our setup up there?
yeah, I was like, how are we gonna get that down? That's all I thought.
You know, that's a question that I didn't answer in the video.
Push it off.
I'm gonna try to fit through the box.
Oh, great.
Ooh! Nigel! Oh, whoa, you're early today.
I know, right? I actually woke up.
This is amazing.
Any puns yet?
Oh, righteous man.
Hello. No?
Just kidding, I'm the righteous one.
Stuck in a crate.
Deliverer of swift justice.
From 50, 180 up.
That's how you know slide.
It's time to take everyone out. They thought I was scared before. They're gonna be scared after this. I don't know what. That was not appropriate. Eat it.
My shins.
Yeah, boy.
Other way.
Oh no.
It's okay, you get 2 tries. We both saw him going the wrong direction, then waited till he did it to go other way. I am so happy to not be the first one out on this video. Yeah, it's a good try. It's a good try. No big deal. Dang it.
Goes made to the box.
Like actual smoothness. I missed that.
You gotta look alive 100% of the time, Gabe Cruz.
That could happen.
Do you ever just wonder, like, what's going on in your life?
Ow. Let's end this, Fetty.
Shove.
Can you steal this trick? Nasty.
I don't think that's gonna work.
You guys did the exact same
I'm done, bro. I'm done with that.
Oh no.
Amazing.
Somersault.
Not a trick.
I've never seen you looking so defeated.
Why is life so hard right now? It's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. No. No. Man, what do I do on this? I know what'll get him. Switch backside 180. I said switch, not fakie. Yeah, boy. It's going downtown. How does he bail like that? Do you see his frog leap out of
Yeah, he
it?
just lets his whole body just go.
I'm onto something
ankle
there.
breaker, man.
I'm onto something. I don't think you can break your ankle though, because there's not really enough give.
Okay.
Let's see what Rowan thinks.
Wow.
We need to get like a full-size dummy of me that I can stand up and I can just shove it off things, so we can just do like a clip of me dying.
Well, I was gonna say we should just get a giant beanbag to jump into.
I'm gonna have to take the L on this, guys. I can't.
Just do one of your signature things where you just launch it as hard as you can down the stairs.
The people hate the launch more than anything.
I love the launch.
They hate it. Okay, guys, for all of you that hate the launch, I'm just gonna do this launch. Sponsored by Gabe Cruz.
Wow.
Might have been the world's most anticlimactic launch there ever was.
Yeah, it didn't really hit anything and wasn't loud enough.
No, it didn't spin, nothing really occurred.
So maybe this is a launch for the people.
Technically, I got 2 tries.
Yeah. Congratulations, Fed, you are the winner. Let's end this video.
Just barely pulled out a victory on this one.
This is even worse. I tried to kick it with my toe and make it flick up into the air and then nothing.
Very close game, guys. Very close.
Wow, well played. Go team. This was really fun. I only threw 3 bones out of socket and sprained 12 muscles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click right here to go check out this other video in this series. You guys will love it. It is a super rad video. You'll have a lot of blast watching that. And then go right here to learn how to skateboard. Because if you can skateboard on this, you can definitely skateboard on a skateboard. We just released full completes, so go check them out. You guys can get on there and learn to skateboard. If you don't have a skateboard, you need to get one, start learning, use Skateboarding Made Simple. I'll see you there.